What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. Talking about Operation P2. I just named it. I just realized we never named this when we kicked off at the beginning of the year. But it was the second house that we've done on the same street here within the last 4 months. And so we just got it sold. Finally got it sold. This one was a little bit back and forth. There was issues on the inspection report, which is a trend. If you had watched my other videos, that was something that was like, hey, we need to look at this. That we had to get the plumbing. The plumber has to get his act together. Just some issues there, and we found we had a fairly old air conditioning unit that went out late in the renovation project, and so we ended up replacing it and getting that done for the homeowner. And that's one of the things that as you go through the fix it flips, that these homes that we do these projects to make money, but at the end of the day, my name is on the business, and I want to make sure that we pass along a quality product home that somebody from day one when they walk in the house, they don't have to worry about any issues, repairs, and things like that. One of the things that came up with this one as well too was the exterior wood, that a lot of it was bad and rotted, and there was a lot of water damage beneath the wood that we didn't know about along the window sills in that area. And so we ended up replacing all that wood paneling along the side of the house, and then also some of the framing with the windows when we installed the new windows. And so that was the one of the big things that came with this one, a little bit more renovation scope than we were necessarily expecting, which is fine. It happens. It's probably one of those projects where that much we haven't had that much scope creep in most of our projects, because one of the strategies that I use is we focus on cosmetics. We're not tearing down walls. We're not doing reconfiguring floor plans, any of that stuff. Keep it straightforward. Get in and get out. This isn't HGTV. We use the same materials, the same colors on same vinyl plank floors most of the time, unless the existing flooring is good. We keep that, and then the same gray paint, and boom, same fixtures, and just basic cookie cutter starter homes. We don't do the high end homes, and it works out well for our marketplace. And we just kind of keep it straightforward, low and steady. And so we got this one closed this week. The buyer had an FHA loan. Took a little bit longer. We had a couple extensions that kind of got pushed out with closing, which is, hey, as you buy homes, I bought more than enough personal residences to know how the underwriting and the hassle that you go through when they close a loan. So we're always definitely accommodating for that. If they got the pre-approval, and it's just really at that point going through the process. We also gave $6,200 in closing costs, which is fine. First time home buyers, we're fine with contributing. We had the property listed at 149.99, and they came in with a proposal of 155. So we bumped the price up. Appraisal was there, and it worked out fine. And we included that in the closing costs, which is fine at that price point. That normally is not unexpected to have closing costs included in the mortgage. And for us, we wanted a quick sale. We went under contract one day after having the property listed, and it was a word of mouth from our realtor talking to another realtor who had a client that had been in the market looking. And we really didn't have any competition. We got full price offer, well, over full price offer, with them covering closing costs. So worked out fairly straightforward deal. Got that one closed and done. And yeah, P2 is in the books. Another project. Of course, we had the scope creep, but it happens. And yeah, just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. Let me know, what challenges you guys have. You guys been doing any projects? Have you been seeing the cost of materials go up for you? We have definitely had on the wood costs, especially with building fences. And just if you got any questions, specific questions about the content, let me know. The course is coming. If you want to be a pre-reader on the book, Real Estate Investing Success Stories, what they forgot to teach you in school, and and drop that in the comments. Be glad to add you on the pre-publishing list to kind of read it and provide some feedback. Be greatly appreciated. And just looking to provide as much value and content to you guys to help you get started on your real estate investing journey, and just start making it happen. There's so much going on with distractions, and that just kind of stop you from getting going and focusing in on the things that you need to in order to build generational wealth. You know, whether it's, hey, entertainment here, partying here, or, you know, going travel here, that, you know, focusing in on your goals. And, well, first of all, you got to set your goals, focus in on them, and you go through and, you know, look at how do you measure progress, how do you get started, how do you align yourself with the right people, whether it's mastermind groups, local meetups, your official REIA, Real Estate Investor Association meetings, or if it's just, you know, getting together with a virtual Facebook group with people that are like-minded. Just in setting yourself up for progress and then figuring out what real estate strategy that you like. For us, we, you know, works with fix and flip. Some who don't have the time or have the entrepreneurial spirit to run their own business, you know, they just invest passively in apartment buildings and they get the same benefits of owning real estate. Or they buy notes, you know, essentially become the bank, or they may just start being a landlord and picking up single family rentals that have already been renovated. They call it turnkey. So there's different strategies, but, you know, you got to set your goal, know how much passive income you want, and kind of figure out, hey, what's the best way for me to accomplish my goal now that I've identified what it is that I want. And that's really the gist of the book. And I kind of lay that out and just talk about all the people in my network, great stories of other real estate investors, how they got started, what they're doing, how they quit their job and became full-time real estate investors, if that's something that you may be interested in. And so stories like that of just great individuals, ordinary people that's doing extraordinary things just because they put a plan together and put an ecosystem around them to make themselves successful. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to continue updating you guys as we go along. We're right here as we're coming into the halfway mark of the year. We're close. We're close to being right on target where we need to be to do 15 deals this year, 15 single family projects, and we're making progress on the multifamily side too, with reaching out to direct the owner and doing some market in order to get our first multifamily deal of the year under contract. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video.